How to easily redeem Starbucks rewards in the app. First, you need to open the Starbucks app and make sure you're signed in to your account. On the home screen, tap Scan at the bottom and this brings up your Starbucks card and shows your current star balance. Now, tap the rewards icon and you'll see what you can redeem based on how many stars you have. Like, for example, 100 stars for a free drink, or let's say 200 stars for a lunch item. Once you know what you want, tap Order at the bottom. Build your order as usual, then on the payment screen, tap Redeem Rewards. If your item is eligible, the option will highlight, so just tap to apply your stars. And finally, confirm and place your order. Your reward will be deducted and your drink or food will be waiting at your selected store. And that's it. You've just redeemed your Starbucks rewards right from the app, quick and easy, and made a purchase. Thanks for watching.